물건이 가장 많은 부동산 청용공인중개사 TV입니다. 물건에 대한 궁금한 사항 있으시면 언제든 연락주세요. 호동초등학교 도보 10분, 안산 성호중학교 도보 7분, 버스 정류장 도보 1분, 수인산업도로가 인접해 있어서 생활 편의가 좋습니다.
Wake up, the sunshine on my face. Mirror smiles, I feel my grace. No one else can write my page. This is my time, I own the stage. Every color that I wear tells the world I'm free, I care. Don't need perfect, just need real. Every heartbeat's what I feel. I'm living my own way, dancing through the day. No rules to follow, I'm finding my own way. Sparkle in my step, dreams I won't delay. I laugh, I shine, I sing, I sway. I'm living my own way. Clouds may come, but I paint skies with cotton dreams and candy vibes.